These dog breeds are so powerful and aggressive that if they get angry, they can finish you off, and the last one can even bite a lion. Number 3, Kangal. This powerful dog breed originated from Kangal City, located in Turkey. It is a giant dog whose weight is 60 to 70 kilos and has the highest bite force among dogs, i.e., 743 psi, whereas a lion has only 650 psi. Although it is very powerful, but is less aggressive than the other dog breeds. Number 2, Pit Bull is a muscular and powerful dog breed. It is used in weight-pulling competitions and many illegal fights. Number 1, Chihuahua dog breed looks silent but is full of anger.